Once upon a time, there was a person coming from to a new village, and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village? Are the people nice?" The master asked back, "How were the people in town where you came from?" "They were greedy and nasty, they were angry and lived for cheating and stealing." "Those are exactly the type of people we have in this village," said the master. A day later, another newcomer to the village and visited the master and asked the same question. To which the master asked, "How were the people in the town where you came from?" "They were sweet and lived harmony. They cared for one another, and for the lost they respected each other, and they were seekers of spirit," he replied. "Well, those are exactly the type of people we have in this village," said the master. "You see in life, in your life, whatever you see in the world will see in you. See hope, see good, see love, and the world will see the same in you. But if you see nasty and greedy part of people, that is why they will see in you. Be good to the world, and the world will be good to you. Give love to the world, and world will give to love to you." Thanks for watching my video.